Critical thinking and technology. What is critical thinking? Critical thinking is a mental process of reviewing clear, rational thoughts based on evidence to reach an answer or a conclusion. Steps to critical thinking. There are 7 steps: research, knowledge, comprehension, application, analysis, collaboration, and evaluation. Research. In order to form a stance on an idea, there needs to be facts to back it up. By asking questions such as the 5 W's could result in deciphering the accurate from the inaccurate. Who, what, when, where, and why. Knowledge. Remembering the facts, what you have learned from the research and committing it to memory to use to develop one's opinion on an idea. Comprehension. After doing the research about the topic, being able to organize and recall the information accurately can help others see the credibility of your stance. Application. Presenting the knowledge gained with credible sources to back up one's idea, allow others to understand your point. Analysis. Compare what you have learned with others. Knowing the opposing viewpoints could strengthen your own. Collaboration. Share and discuss your ideas with others. This can allow you to obtain more information from others and revise your conclusion. And evaluation. Develop your final opinion after following the previous steps to conclude through facts. Technology and critical thinking. Technology plays a big part in today's culture as a source for information, but not all information on the internet is accurate or true. Technology and critical thinking continued. At the end of it all, technology is just another tool to gain accurate and inaccurate information. The ultimate decision maker is the person themselves.